Alright, good day. I am going to give you a tutorial on CAD drawing number 2 on the website. It's called Cad 2 Practice. Yep, exactly like that, Cad 2 Practice. So this one suggests starting making a plate again. So the I can statements have to do with making a plate. So I'm going to go up here to Preferences, View Preferences. I'm going to click on Plate. The grids are already on 1/4 inch, and one thing I need to check is to see if my plate's at 0. So I did that a little quick. So I just hit this button, and it looks like my plate is at 0, 0. I'm good. So now it's asking me to draw a rectangle. So I'm going to come over here and draw a rectangle. And I'm going to click on this setting right here so I can put in dimensions. And it's asking me to do a 4 by 4 rectangle. So I just use tab. Now I want to get this to 0, so I keep tabbing over it. I hit 0 for the X, 0 for the Y, 0 for the Z, and then I tab to apply, and I hit enter. So I don't want another one, so I right click, and that closes me out of that command. So now it says draw a dummy line from the corner to the center of the circle. So I have to do a little math here to find that dummy line. So it says the hole, we're basically making a hole here, and it says the hole is 45-degree angle 2 inches out. So before I click on that, I need to open up my input center. So I'd go draw a line. I'm starting right here. I want it to go this way, right? So if that's 90 up here, this is 180. So I have to add 45 to 180. So I'm going to type in my length here is going to be 2 inches. And then if I add 45 to 180, I get 225. And I hit enter. So now that gives me a dummy line to select my circle. So now I can go to, I'll probably just do the endpoint snap, which is already selected. I'm going to go over here and grab a circle. It's supposed to be a 1/4 inch radius circle. So I'm going to come over here to the radius, 0.25. And see how that automatically grabs the end of that line? That's exactly what I want. Alright, now I need to put a fillet at the bottom. It says a 1 inch fillet. So I go draw, come down here to fillet, and then I'm going to click one line here and one line here, and then I hit apply. So now I have a 1 inch fillet. I hit close, and now I can get rid of this dummy line. You have to use the delete button. Alright, now I'm going to dimension this. So before I do much dimensioning, I'm going to go to Preferences, Dimensions. Now I'm looking at these settings, so that's pretty big. I'm going to do 0.5 here, and then I'm going to do like 0.1 here, and that's how high up it is. My arrowheads, I'm going to do 0.25. I'm kind of just guessing on that. That's still pretty big. And I'm going to do 0.25 here, and then I'm going to try that, see if that will work. So now I'm going to try to do a little dimensioning. So I go draw, dimension, single dimension, click here and here, bring that up. I could have changed my style too. Put that up. Alright, now I'm going to go draw, dimension. Now I'm going to do a radius dimension. So I can click on here. It says 1/4 inch R equals 1/4 inch. That means radius. Now this one won't let me click on it, so I need to go back to this. I'm going to hit the nearest one right here. Snap to nearby contour. And now it'll let me click on there. So there's my 1-inch radius. Alright, so now I'm going to come over here, grab the text button, put my name on it. Alright, close. Then I'm going to go File, Save As. And I'm going to change this to number 2. And then I save it on my desktop, and then I can submit that on Schoology. So I think I got everything on there. Yep, everything's on there. And that's how you do drawing number 2.